Hey besties, welcome back, or if you are new, welcome. My name is Blair, or better known as Boo Creamy here on YouTube, and I hope you decide to stay a while. I am beyond excited for today's video because we are on episode 3 of Content Creators Pick My Nail Designs. And we are featuring the lovely Miss Babygirl Nails. So this video is very special to me because she was one of the first creators that I really started watching, right there along with like Evie and all those wonderful other ladies. And she has so many great videos. She has hack videos, which I love a good hack. She is so loving and creative and informative, and I just love the vibes that she gives in her videos. It has always been a channel that I have flocked towards, and I always get super excited when I see her upload. So I hope I make her proud with this nail set. So I didn't have the exact colors that she used for this nail set. She did use Madame Glam gels, and because I don't have them, I am going to be doing some mixing. I used some Born Pretty nail art gel, my Macart black, some top coat, and then those gold flakes. I pretty much just used the Born Pretty pink art gel on its own, but because her nails had like a little bit more of like a magenta, deeper magenta color to it, so I did make a jelly black and added just a little bit of that jelly black to the Born Pretty pink art gel. And it came out like perfectly. And so yeah, I will just kind of let you guys watch along as I create these beautiful nails, and I hope you enjoy today's video. So as you will notice, I place this color on, which is a jelly version of that Born Pretty pink. I added some top coat and a little bit of that black jelly to it. But when I applied it to the nail, it wasn't as jelly as I wanted it to be. So I just dipped my brush in a little bit of the top coat that I had right there and applied it right over the pink gel, and it ended up creating like the perfect jelly kind of transparency that I was going for on this nail. And I also didn't have the exact butterfly stickers that she used for this set. I was gonna hand paint them, but my schedule did not permit that this time, so I am sorry guys. I am working on it though. I really don't want to be taking as much PR as I've mentioned in a prior video. I want to be able to post the nails that I want to post, and I feel like a lot of the times when I take PR, I'm limited on what I can post, and that just kind of takes the joy out of why I started doing this in the first place. So I think for now on, my PR videos will be just that. It will be an unboxing, swatching type video, and then you will see me use the products in upcoming nail sets. So I hope you guys all enjoy the way I start to do these videos. If you would like to still see the PR videos included with the nail set here and there, please let me know, because essentially you guys are the ones watching the videos. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. I did let Babygirl Nails know, her name is Jamie by the way, I did let her know that I didn't have the exact butterfly stickers that she had, and so I kind of put my own little twist on it. And because we are coming up on the spooky season, I kind of added like a spooky twist to it. I love how this gold flakes in the top coat looks. So if you don't have a top coat like with the little gold flakies in it like she did, cutting up some of that little gold flake foil stuff works just as good. I think this was a great little hack to add the gold flakes on. It worked really well just cutting them up super fine. When you do cut them up, if you want them to lay flat, I suggest very, very carefully cutting them up though, because as you get to mixing, they tend to want to kind of crinkle and not lay as flat. So you'll see me kind of manipulating some of the little pieces with my brush just to make them lay flat. And after I get this on and cured, I do add the corresponding color over the top of the gold flakes, just because her gold flakes looked a little more muted in her nail set. So you will see me go over those briefly. And then off camera, I do take a buffer and lightly buff over them after applying the corresponding color. And then I apply the matte top coat twice. So I apply a nice juicy layer to kind of help even out any of the gold flakes that might be sticking up. And I do buff after that, and then I apply the top coat. I love these decals. I love them so much that after I got the first sheet, I went and ordered another one because I wanted to have extra. I love these butterflies. I love how they look like little skulls. I do apply it on the left side of my pointer finger, but then I end up coming back in and swapping the half of the butterfly that I put on there. So instead of it facing the direction that it is right now, it ends up facing towards my ring finger, creating a whole butterfly, if that makes sense. Yeah, so you can see I'm swapped here. And then I just added a little ghost peekabooing out off the pinky because I thought it was cute. Then taking my Macart glue gel, I love this little thing because you can kind of apply it wherever you need it, and it is nice and thick. She's thick! But I apply that to my middle finger, and then I'm going to take some of these little, they're like rocks or crystals. It came in a big like mix of different ones in a colorful July mystery box that I got. I will leave that listed at the end of the video if you want to check that out if you haven't already. And then I will try to leave some of the other content creators pick my nail design videos if you have not seen those as well. So I'm just going to apply those kind of up towards my eponychium on my middle finger, and then I do cure the first layer, and then I will come back in and continue to build it up. And I hope you guys are enjoying the third episode of this new series. If you are, and you could leave the video a like, it would help me so much. and I appreciate every single one of you that do. If you are feeling generous, you could leave a comment down below. And if you are not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button. I honestly have a feeling that we are going to get super close to 1,000 subscribers before my giveaway for 500 is even done, which is crazy. And I'm so thankful for every single one of you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. You guys are what makes this all worth doing. So again, I appreciate every single one of you. And speaking of giveaway, I should have the giveaway announcement video coming this week. So make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss that video. So right here, I am taking one of my little micro swabs and I dipped it in some alcohol and I'm just cleaning up any of the glue that may have gotten on like the little rocks or gemstones before I do my final cure. And then I will come in with my final coat of the matte top coat and we are done. Look at how pretty they are. These are so minimalistic, so simple to do. Yet they were beautiful. I am so grateful that Babygirl was willing to participate in this series. As I said, she played a huge part in my journey and the things that I've learned and different techniques. And so I really just appreciate her and her content. And I hope that I made her proud with this nail set. They weren't quite as long as her nails, but I am in the works of getting some different kinds of tips and stuff so I can keep the videos kind of fresh for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I love you so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye! And look at, oh my goodness, I love these. Okay, bye besties.